All right, we got downtown. We had to take a nap, y'all. It was brutal getting here to Savannah, 4 in the morning. Made it to the parade. About to go see some Irish dancers. About to turn up. We got on our outfits. Looking good. Looking good.
Listen, they look amazing. Y'all in the present of fucking beauty right here.
Thank you.
Recognize that shit.
Let's get it. Welcome to the biggest day in Savannah, St. Patrick's Day. Arguably the biggest St. Patrick's Day celebration in the nation, and most definitely the biggest St. Patrick's Day celebration in the South. From the greening of the fountain to the wearing of green, nothing marks the beginning of spring like the rituals of St. Patrick's Day here in Savannah. St. Patrick's Day honors St. Patrick, Ireland's patron saint, who is credited for spreading Christianity there in the 5th century. St. Patrick is also credited for driving all of the snakes out of Ireland, which is widely accepted as an allegory for driving non-Christian and pagan religious belief systems out of the mainstream in Ireland during that time. These days, St. Patrick's Day is not just a celebration of Ireland's Christian roots. It is a celebration of Irish life, culture, and traditional values. Irish life traditionally revolves around family, with strong ties to kinship, hospitality, and storytelling, as well as poetry, live singing, music, and dance. Pubs, which are often family-owned, served as social hubs where communities gathered for music, conversation, and celebrations. More than just bars, they were extensions of home, places where friendships formed, news was shared, and traditions thrive. When it comes to Savannah, Georgia, there are deep, deep Irish roots dating all the way back to the 1800s, when Irish immigrants arrived for work and built strong communities. According to this gentleman, who I am 100% sure was trolling me, Savannah and St. Patrick's Day have a very different history and connection.
So St. Patrick versus the commercialized St. Patrick's Day is honestly Skittles versus M&M's.
Okay.
I mean, we all sit here and say every day about this, that, and the other, and St. Patrick originally is the first Irish heritage that came over from Ireland. And when he came over from Ireland, he gained the community, he gained the Columbus, he gained everything, and he became a part of the family.
Okay.
And then when he became a part of the family, we all have friends apart with friendships.
So
Friendships.
let's go to another question. So how does the leprechaun and the look play into St. Patrick's Day? What is the leprechaun and the three-leaf clover about?
I mean, the leprechaun himself jumps off a rainbow and wishes everyone luck.
Okay.
I mean, everyone needs luck. To this day, no one gets through life without a little bit of luck. Absolutely.
And it's all ties to St. Patrick's Day.
It all ties in because when is St. Patrick's Day?
Today, right?
Yeah, but what month is it in? March. How many clovers are on the leaf?
3.
What month is March?
3. Okay.
Okay, here we go. So we're getting there. 3-leaf clover.
Blew my mind.
3-leaf clover is March.
It's March.
So
it's spring.
It's spring. It's the most enjoyment time of the year.
I mean, not too hot, not too cold.
Not too hot, not too cold. I mean, in Ireland right now, it's honestly probably in the 60s or 70s.
Yeah.
In Georgia, what is it right now?
85 for how it feels.
There we go. Boston, where he originally came. It's right there in the 60s.
Wow.
As we speak.
Well, thank you.
While I can't independently confirm much of what Mr. Bullock shared, I can tell you a little bit more about a symbol of Irish culture just as popular as shamrocks, leprechauns, and St. Patrick's Day itself. Traditional Irish step dancing. This dance form is immediately known and recognized as Irish. Irish step dance, known for its rapid footwork and rigid upper body, originated in Ireland's 18th century social and competitive dance traditions, and was later internationally popularized by shows like Riverdance. But don't ever, ever, ever call Irish step dancing river dancing to an Irish step dancer, ever. Though visually captivating for the stage and culturally barrier breaking, many traditional and purist competitive Irish dancers believe that this show in particular watered down too many of the traditions to make it a commercial hit. There are two styles. The soft shoe Irish step dance is graceful and light, featuring intricate footwork and smooth, flowing movements. It's often performed to reels and jigs, emphasizing elegance and speed. In contrast, hard shoe style is more percussive, using specially designed shoes to create rhythmic, tap-like sounds. Dancers perform powerful jumps and stomps, adding a dynamic, rhythmic element to the performance. These traditions have mostly been kept alive through traditional Irish dance competitions known as feis. They are gatherings where dancers compete in various styles, including solo and set dances, and are judged on technique and artistry. Hair, makeup, and costumes included. This is a very, very intricate and organized world that was key in proliferating and preserving Irish culture, language, dance, and music at a time when Irish identity was almost lost to British colonial erasure. So next time you drive down to Savannah to enjoy St. Patrick's Day, make sure you find yourself somewhere dancing and enjoying the cultural dance offerings. I personally suggest following Legacy Irish Dance Academy and keeping up with them around that time to figure out their parade and performance schedule.